Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just opened some of the rubber bands I got from the Black Friday sale on AliExpress. Pulled out a couple purple to pull up Promise of Spring's hair so that more of the pink shows. I think she's so cute. I gave her an Easter outfit. We made her, oh, I'm gonna have to, it's so humid in here. The wood on these, I cut these one day and the stand, the upright is nice and tight and I stand it all up in it and 2 days later it's,
Dry in here.
yeah, what did I say?
Humid.
Dry, yeah. Made her a nice little Easter dress. And then she has shoes. She has a white pair that we got out. No, it's too early. You know, the old wear them from Easter to Labor Day white. So I got her these cute little pink shoes. I thought they were cute. Promise of Spring is to remind you, spring's coming. Don't get the blues. Don't get the winter blues. Think about all of the opportunities in our Dolly community. There are so many challenges and collabs coming up that you can participate in. You don't have to sew. You can put your dolls in a lot of outfits that do not cost that much to join in on the collaborations and challenges. We have the Barbie challenge on the 18th of each month. We have Amaya Rain on the 3rd. There's all kinds of other videos and such that you can join in on. Don't get the winter blues. Remember, Promise of Spring. So there she is. And then we have, I can never remember, Margot's standing here and her Valentine's. Boy, that's coming quick. Well, we have a haul. A lot of this has waited over a week for me to open. I've been so busy and we've had so many videos to get up. I am never out of ideas for content, and like I said, there's so many challenges, and in the reborn community there's so many, I guess they call them challenges. I bought this wig on eBay. I had seen it, I thought about it, I wasn't going to get it, and then I put it in my cart, what is it called, watch list, to see if they'd make me an offer. Sure enough, they did. I made an offer back and they accepted. It is a pull-up sized wig. It is just a short blonde with, I'm not going to pull the netting off right now. I'm getting ready to do a custom pull-up doll. And I bought that for like $2.50. I'm trying to remember, the shipping was really low. So I was happy to have it. I have another wig coming, and I laughed because Darren said, well, you're gonna need another doll. Oh, cool. These are the $1.99 what do we call them? Black Friday. This is for my stepson. I doubt he's watching, but he should be watching. For Easter, he and Darren like to do Legos together, and I saw those and they weren't expensive.
Well, he'll be happy to know that he's old enough.
There you go. There you go. Old enough to what?
It's 6+ age.
Oh, yeah. And he's single, ladies. I got these turtle beads because they were $1.99 and they have all these colors. And I love turtles, and Karen from Starts and Stitches and I do something on National Turtle Day each year. And then there's this outfit. You've seen these before on my channel. Yes, I keep buying them. I have a reason. I don't know if I can get it open. There we go. They're a little wide for the Blythe dolls, but I have some ideas. I just think these are adorable. They have this little hat. They're more pull-up size hats, but still cute for a Blythe doll. They have bloomers and a little bag. And look at this. stockings. Just cute. $1.99. How can you not? I was buying every day. I stopped. And then Darren said, are you getting any more $1.99? I think there was something you wanted and you said, or thought I should have. These are Barbie
Those
shoes.
gloves I've been using.
Oh, yeah, those gloves are fantastic. Darren took some of those cycling gloves I bought. He's been feeding animals. We have outdoor animals. We have horses and what have you out there. I bought 100 Barbie shoes for, well, all kinds of different things. I got them in red and I got them in black and I have white in my cart. It was 100 for $7.99. What a great price.
Uh-huh.
All right. So I think I'm going to get the white. I'm always looking for Barbie shoes. And anymore, when you get the multi-pack of Barbie shoes, you'll notice there might be red in there, there might be white in there, but there's no black anymore. And very few red and white. And of course, those are the most that you use the most. Okay, here's another one of those $1.99 cute items. Oh, this is another one of those pop-up cards. Love those. And Darren's gloves. We highly recommend these. And I got more. I think this is supposed to be 1,000 of these rubber bands for the doll's hair. They're getting harder to find and way more expensive. I couldn't get over the Dollar Tree the other day. I looked at them. I think they had 300 in the pack or something, and they only had black. Black won't do. I need those pretty colors. Oh, that's a fun thing. And I got a Santa, and this one's for Darren. Oh, your box is kind of messed up. A little sword, isn't that cute? Just for fun. We like to watch.
It's Leguan. It kind of looks like Lego.
Yeah, kind of use their Lego logo too. Look at this. This is for a Happy Mail, and she'll probably know who it's for. Actually, I have another one of these coming for me. It is a pearl necklace with like a bite mark out of it with blood going down. Ooh, 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 how fun is that? Kind of tight though, but it is a choker. It is a choker. Hopefully it won't. But, oh, okay. It has longer
Adjustability.
chain adjustability. Yeah, we can call it that. So that's cool. Very cool. I think I bought one and then I thought, oh, you know who else would like that? So I bought another. You'll see them open Happy Mail. Wanted to remind you all, when you're watching people's videos, do that person a favor and not only like that video and subscribe to their channel, because we need to help one another out. When you're looking at the comments, like them, like every single one, including your own, and the replies. That helps boost people's video and themselves in the algorithm. This looks like yours, Darren.
It is.
Let's see what you got. Do you mind if I open it?
No, go ahead, because it's actually kind of relevant to.
Oh, cool. What kind of bag did they put this in? That's kind of weird. Okay, Darren loves bicycle kits. That's what you call the clothes. Oh, wow, that is cool. Oh, we each need one of these because
I'm looking.
I bought a bike. They have bike swaps, which is like flea markets, all bike stuff. And I bought a bike for travel. Darren still needs to tweak it, and I got it really cheap, and it's a road bike, lightweight, to take with us when we travel. And the reason I got it is I really don't want the bikes that I normally ride stolen. I'd sit down and cry. So I'm going to take it. But look at this. Isn't this cool? We're going to be doing some more Route 66. And there's one more thing I want to show you.
Yeah, but my plan is to drag you around some more on, if we do drive to Las Vegas for BlytheCon, which is another tie-in to
Oh, yes.
having a little.
That would be fun. Now, driving to Las Vegas doesn't sound so daunting. Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Leave a few days early, ride our bikes in each of the states. That's what we like to do. I wanted to point out, I have a great big TV behind here, and it's not like we don't already have a couple of these. We have one in our bedroom, one in our living room. Why did we need this? Darren and I have set up exercise equipment that we've been using every day in the basement. We don't do it at the beginning of the year and stop. We actually have an old exercise bike. How old do you think that thing is? From
Oh
the
my
60s?
goodness. Yeah, it could be.
We bought it at a garage sale, and we have hundreds of miles on that thing. We have both used it, and then Darren had a knee injury, of which I have, and cured it or did his own therapy with an elliptical we bought for $5. We're pretty good about working out. Okay, I haven't been, but lately I have been. So we got this TV to put up in the basement so that we drive on to work out more. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Have a great day. Do not let the winter blues get a hold of you. Think promise of spring. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.